What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install a Steam game onto a new drive on your computer, whether that's a new solid state drive or a new hard drive that you just put into your computer. You can install Steam games onto it. You don't have to install Steam games all on the same drive. You can mix it up. You can put it across a few. It's all done through Steam though. That's the important part. So you can't copy these folders and move them manually. Steam needs to know where they are so that it can run the game and sign into online and all that good stuff. So you can see I have this new backup drive, this D drive. This is another solid state that I put into my computer. I found that the 1 TB wasn't enough with this one. I just used to have this one right here. It had everything. It had my games, my programs. But like, for example, you see NBA 2K is uninstalled here because this thing is 130 gigabytes or something. And I don't have that much space to work with. So, I got this new drive. I've moved a couple games over, and now I want to install 2K on this other drive. And I still have most of my games on this one. So, how do we do that? Let's go into Steam here. Go to your library. So, click on the library tab here and find the game you want to install. If you haven't paid for it, go to store first, buy it, and then buy it, and then it'll show up in your library, and then you can install it after. So either way, the game will be here. You can click install, and you won't see this one by default. You'll have to click add drive, or you can click manage storage, and this will bring up the storage settings that I showed in the previous video. But here's where you can add a drive. So I've already gone through this. I've added this. Now I can detect my actual network drive, which is pretty cool, but we're not going to do that. We're not going to put games on my network drive. All you have to do is click add drive. It's going to detect what other disks you got on your computer, whether that's a hard drive, a solid state disk. It's going to find it here. You can click on it, and then you're going to be able to map it. So then you can go back after you've mapped it out here and actually install the game to the new drive. So it'll show up here now like it does for me. We're going to click on this one instead, and then we're going to click install. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like, I'll make a jump cut when it's done, but now the game's going to install. It's going to take a bit because this is a humongous game. And yeah, hopefully, actually, before I close this off, let's do a jump cut when it's done, and I'll show you the end product. All right, guys, jump cut here. It's been installed. We can see we can click play. And if you go to the backup drive, or sorry, whatever other drive you have that you wanted to install to, you'll see a folder called Steam Library on it. So you can click on that, go to Steam Apps, go to Common, and you'll see all the games you have installed on this drive. So I have NBA 2K23 now because I just installed it onto this, and I already moved Battlefield 1 over before. So that is pretty much it. Also, you can see this on Steam. If you go to Steam up here, you go to Settings, go to Storage, and you find your other drive that you added here. You'll be able to see the new game you just installed. So 2K23 is showing up. Look at the size of this thing. For a basketball court, it's 136 gigabytes, whereas Elden Ring's 80 gigabytes, and it's a freaking province. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, there you go. That is how you install a game to another drive in Steam, guys. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.